Well, thank you for having us, of course, from the Netherlands. We have a long history of trading and, of course, a long history with whole Kurdistan and the Netherlands. And we're here looking for opportunities, of course, to see how we can help Kurdistan, but also how Kurdistan can help the Netherlands, of course, with all our knowledge and products we can offer. Well, what I see here is not what I expected. It was just unbelievable how concrete you are and how fast you want to develop. And the development here in Hawler is really, really fast. I was here 14 years ago, and when I look at it now, it's exploded. And the possibilities and the people who work here and the businessmen I already met are all really positive. It is really a positive atmosphere here, and yeah, I think when I talk to the people here, it really gives me a very good feeling about investment here and also see what we can do for work and work together. No. No, I live in the Netherlands, but my wife is from Hawler. Well, the changes are everywhere. You see the development, of course, of the buildings, that's concrete what you see, but also the atmosphere here for investments. I think what they're doing here is that it's really easy to get involved here in the investments and start businesses here for foreigners like us from the Netherlands. And of course, there are a lot of Kurds living in the Netherlands going back, of course, to here with their knowledge and with their ideas and to start new businesses here again, building up a whole new... Yeah, well, of course, there's a lot of things now being imported into Kurdistan, and I think what we're now seeing is that you want to develop it yourself in Kurdistan and get the agriculture going on here. In the Netherlands, we have, of course, hundreds of years of experience with agriculture, and we help in all over the world with this knowledge. And also here we see that it's a really positive feeling and the urge to learn and to see how you can get the knowledge you're working to get it better here in Kurdistan and not to have it imported from all over the world, but to get all the agriculture here for you. So you are asking me how it is different with the Americans and sorry. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, you see when Americans are here, when the Dutch are here, when other countries are coming here to Kurdistan, they see opportunities, of course. I think that Kurdistan is really different with the rest of Iraq, and that they have this really easy entrance towards the Kurdish market. And it's really easy to invest. We have all these meetings as well as a Dutch delegation, and we also talk to a lot of the people and the ministers of trade. And they all talk to us and they say, now we open the doors. You can enter our market, and it's really easy for you as a foreigner to start a business here and to explore everything you want and see if your business can thrive here in Kurdistan region. So I think it's a really new way of doing business. Maybe in the Middle East, I think you have a really great idea about this. Well, when I drive around and I see all those new buildings, of course, it's all called Future City. It's called... Yeah, well, no. Also, as an investor, part of my love for Hawler, of course, but when I look at the investment climate and when I talk to the businessmen here, it's really positive. I think it's a really positive, optimistic vibe. It's different from other regions. Yeah. You're very similar to what. Yeah. No, yeah. Well, my wife, she went to Holland, and there I picked her up. The one Kurdish woman I get. Zor Spaß.